Marine biology is a study of all life in the seas and oceans, so everything from the smallest cells up to the largest fish and whales. So really it's just like normal biology, except focusing on life that's within this particular kind of environment. You don't need any particular experience beyond biology and some understanding of general sciences before coming in here. Well, we have core modules which everyone is going to take, and that's really going to take our students through the kinds of life that we find in the seas, the environments that they're going to interact with, and really provide all that basic information. But beyond that, there's going to be lots of choice for you to tailor your experience. In the first year, that's quite broad, lots of different kinds of elements that you could explore, but what you find interesting in that first year, you can really carry on through the entire programme. Practical work is a really important part of what we do. The key to that is field work. Yeah, Liverpool is a fantastic place for studying marine biology. We've got some great coastline around here with all sorts of different environments within that as well. So there's a lot to explore right on our doorstep. Over in the Dee Estuary, on the Wirral, there's some fantastic sand and mud flats which we can explore and learn how to sample the natural environment. Just further north up the coast, we've got the Ainsdale Dunes. Absolutely incredible area for ecology in general, with lots of rare animal and plant life. In the city itself, there are the docks, which are actually a natural experiment themselves, and is now absolutely filled with a really diverse range of life. And we can explore that here as well.
And we also take them away on residential field courses where they get a much more of an in-depth experience of a lot of different scientific practices. One of the trips we take them to is the Marine Biological Association in Plymouth. During this field course, they get to spend time on the research vessel, and they go out and do plankton surveys, they do fish trawls, they do an awful lot of boat-based surveying work. I have a joint appointment between the University of Liverpool, where I spend 70% of my time, and the Marine Biological Association of the UK. It provides them with access to the Marine Biological Association's facilities, to an awful lot of the research staff there. And also I get an awful lot of research done at the MBA. We have different facilities down there to the university, so that I'm able to bring the data back and teach the students about it. Another really nice thing that we're able to do is we're able to take students down to the Marine Biological Association, and they can do either research projects there or they can do volunteer placements over the summer. So again, there's a real nice two-way link between the research lab in Plymouth and the degree courses here at the university.
We're quite forward-thinking in the kinds of teaching methods that we're using. We use a lot of what's called blended learning, so a lot of the background material is going to be held online, so you can review that in your own time. And then when you come onto campus, we really want to use that time actively. And on campus, we've got some incredible facilities. They're world-class, they're up-to-date, and they're designed specifically around the teaching of science. So that includes essential teaching labs, and that's going to be where you're spending a lot of your time doing this kind of practical work. So it's a fantastic environment for learning. Obviously, thinking about future careers is fundamental. That's what it's all about, really, making sure that anyone who comes here is going to leave with the skills that they need to go into a career of their choice. And as part of that, one of the things that University of Liverpool is really proud of is authentic assessment. So all the kinds of activities that we're giving to our students are the kinds of things that they would be doing in a professional role once they leave as well. So we're embedding those skills straight away, our students are getting practice in them, and they're hopefully going to be leaving confident enough to use them and move into whatever career they want to.
For me, I think the University of Liverpool has got such a long and esteemed history in teaching marine biology. We go back many, many decades. There are so many different links with lots of different research institutes around the UK as well. So there are lots of opportunities for people to get work experience, to do different kinds of marine biology in different areas as well. And I think that it's absolutely fantastic for people to be able to have this real broad range of possibilities, both within the study programme and also after they leave as well.